Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English and USA. Today, Mike and Emily are having a real-life conversation about daily life from morning routines to work, lunch, and weekend plans. Listen carefully, repeat the useful sentences, and practice speaking with us. Good morning, Emily.
Good morning, Mike. How did you sleep?
Pretty well, actually. I went to bed early last night.
That's good. I stayed up a bit too late, watching a show.
Really? Which one?
Just a cooking show. It's relaxing after a long day.
That sounds nice. What time did you wake up today?
Around 6:30. I like getting up early.
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I make coffee right away.
Coffee first, always. Did you have breakfast yet?
Yeah, I had some toast and eggs. Quick and easy.
I just had cereal today. I was running a little late.
No worries. What time do you start work?
9, but I like to get there a bit early.
Same here. It helps me plan my day better.
Exactly. So, what are you working on this week?
A new project for a client. It's due on Friday.
That sounds like a lot of work. Are you stressed about it?
A little, but I think I can manage it.
I'm sure you can. You're always well organized.
Thanks, I appreciate that. What about you? Busy week?
Pretty busy. I have 2 meetings today, and a report to finish.
Sounds like a full day. Do you have time for lunch?
I think so. Around noon, maybe?
Perfect. Do you want to try that new sandwich place?
Oh, I've heard good things about it. Let's go.
Great. I'll meet you outside your office around 12.
Sounds good. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. By the way, how's your brother doing?
He's doing well. He just started a new job last month.
That's great news. Is he enjoying it?
Yeah, he seems really happy there.
That's good to hear. Tell him I said hi.
I will. So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet, actually. I might just relax at home.
I was thinking about going to the farmer's market on Saturday.
Oh, that sounds fun. What time does it open?
I think around 8 in the morning.
That's pretty early, but I'm in. Can I come with you?
Of course. It'll be more fun with company.
Great, it's a plan. Should we get breakfast after?
Definitely. There's a nice cafe near the market.
Perfect. I love trying new places.
Okay, I should get back to work now.
Yeah, me too. This meeting isn't going to run itself.
Huh, true. See you at lunch then?
See you at lunch. Have a good morning.
You too, Mike.
Hey, sorry I'm a few minutes late.
No problem, I just got here myself.
This place looks really nice.
It does. I love the outdoor seating.
Let's grab that table by the window.
Sounds great. I'm starving.
Same here. What are you going to order?
I think I'll try the turkey sandwich.
That sounds good. I might get the same thing.
Great minds think alike.
So, how was your meeting this morning?
It went well. We finished earlier than expected.
That's always a nice surprise.
Definitely. How's your project coming along?
Slowly, but surely. I finished the first part today.
That's great progress. You'll finish on time.
I hope so. I'm trying not to stress too much.
That's a good attitude. Everything usually works out.
You're right. Thanks for the encouragement.
Anytime. So, are we still on for Saturday?
Absolutely. I'm really looking forward to it.
Me too. It's going to be a nice, relaxing weekend.
Exactly what we both need.
Well, I should head back. My next meeting starts soon.
Yeah, me too. Thanks for lunch. This was fun.
It was. Let's do it again soon.
Definitely. See you Saturday morning.
See you then. Have a great rest of your day, Mike.
You too, Emily. Bye. Listen and repeat. Good morning. Good morning.
How did you sleep? How did you sleep?
I usually wake up at 7. I usually wake up at 7.
Did you have breakfast yet? Did you have breakfast yet?
What time do you start work? What time do you start work?
I like to get there a bit early. I like to get there a bit early.
What are you working on this week? What are you working on this week?
That sounds like a lot of work. That sounds like a lot of work.
I think I can manage it. I think I can manage it.
Do you have time for lunch? Do you have time for lunch?
I'll meet you outside your office. I'll meet you outside your office.
I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it.
Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I might just relax at home. I might just relax at home.
That sounds fun. Can I come with you? That sounds fun. Can I come with you?
It'll be more fun with company. It'll be more fun with company.
I should get back to work now. I should get back to work now.
Sorry, I'm a few minutes late. Sorry, I'm a few minutes late.
I'm starving. I'm starving.
That's always a nice surprise. That's always a nice surprise.
I finished the first part today. I finished the first part today.
You're trying not to stress too much. You're trying not to stress too much.
Thanks for the encouragement. Thanks for the encouragement.
Are we still on for Saturday? Are we still on for Saturday?
I'm really looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to it.
Let's do it again soon. Let's do it again soon.
Thanks for lunch. This was fun. Thanks for lunch. This was fun.
Have a great rest of your day. Have a great rest of your day.
Now it's your turn. Try to answer these questions out loud. Number 1. What time do you usually wake up? Number 2. What do you usually have for breakfast? Number 3. What are you working on this week? Number 4. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Number 5. What's your favorite place to have lunch with a friend? Thank you for practicing English with us today. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep speaking. Remember, practice makes progress. See you in the next lesson.